Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to easily contact Airbnb customer service. Whether you're dealing with a booking issue, need clarification on a policy, or have questions about your reservation, knowing how to reach Airbnb's support team quickly can save you time and stress. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to Airbnb.com. Once you're on the homepage, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on Login. Enter your Airbnb credentials to access your account. Logging in is important because it allows Airbnb to pull up your booking history and account details, which speeds up the support process significantly. After you're logged in, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the homepage. Here, you'll find a link labeled Help. Click on it to open Airbnb's Help Center. This is your gateway to both self-service resources and direct contact options. Once inside the Help Center, you'll see a search bar where you can type a brief description of your issue. Alternatively, you can browse through the relevant help topics displayed on the page. These articles cover common questions and might provide an immediate solution to your problem. Take a moment to scroll through the suggested articles and solutions. Many issues can be resolved quickly without needing to contact support directly. However, if you don't find what you're looking for, scroll down further until you see the Contact Us button. Click on it to proceed to the next step. Now you'll be asked to choose the category and subcategory that best describe your problem. This helps Airbnb route your inquiry to the right support team. After selecting the appropriate options, you'll be presented with contact methods. Typically, you'll see options like message us for live chat or call us for phone support. Choose the method that works best for you. If you select call us, Airbnb will display their customer service phone numbers such as 1-844-234-2500 for US callers. If you prefer live chat, simply enter your query in the message box and wait for a customer support agent to respond. Either way, make sure you have your reservation details and account information ready. Having this information on hand allows the support team to assist you more efficiently. Once connected, follow any instructions provided by the support agent to resolve your issue. They may ask for additional details or guide you through troubleshooting steps. By following this process, you'll be able to reach Airbnb customer service quickly and get the help you need. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.